So that's the other experiment for ENE326 laboratories. That's a Nusselt number experiment. And what you have here, you have a power supply which is connected to the apparatus here. We'll go on about that, we'll talk about that later. Here is another power supply which powers a fan. You have a temperature reader here connected to two thermocouples. Thermocouples are sensors, temperature sensors. You have another sensor here which through this little bit of screen here you can read the actual airspeed. So when you start your experiment, connect this power supply first, turn it on. This basically is a power supply to a fan, to an air fan. Okay. You're gonna set it to a certain speed that you will see from your notes. You will be able to read, at any point in time, you will be able to read the airspeed through this sensor here. It's meters per second, it will be your measurement, okay? So, fan here generating an airflow through this rectangular duct, and the airflow is measured here in terms of its speed. What else you have here? And I think, yes, we need to go to connecting the power supply to the actual cylinder here. So, red to red, black to black. They can be connected anywhere here. We're all plugged in here, yep, and we're on, yep. So, this is how we turn on. And by turning the two buttons here, we can set it to a certain power. Don't forget voltage multiplied by current, volts multiplied by amps, they give you watts power. So there is current generated here, which through the connection to that little metal cylinder here, it generates heat. That current is connected through a resistor and generates heat from that cylinder. This is how you start your experiment. Your experiment basically is you taking measurements of the two temperatures measured by those two thermocouples. One temperature is on the surface of the cylinder, the other temperature is on the air inside the rectangle duct. Here is how you turn this on if you want to see. You can click T1, temperature 1, which is 34 degrees. That's actually the temperature of the cylinder. And temperature 2, this is at the moment 23 degrees. This is taken by this sensor here. This is the air temperature. So for different air speeds, you take different temperature readings, and you collect that data to do your calculations so that you are instructed by your laboratory notes in Blackboard. Yeah, so look, I hope it was helpful. You can always contact me for more advice if there's something you did not understand. All right, thank you.